Imagine having endless entertainment options from live channels right on your Roku TV with IPTV. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around and learn exactly how to make this dream a reality. First things first, Roku doesn't support IPTV directly, but here's the exciting workaround you'll love. Start by ensuring your Roku TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We'll utilize the screen mirroring feature. This allows your mobile device to share its screen with Roku. But wait, what's the best IPTV service to choose for this setup? Let's talk about 2TV.store. 2TV.store offers reliable streaming and countless channels at your fingertips, no more TV limitations. On your mobile, install an IPTV app, choose playlist options, and connect to your 2TV.store service. With screen mirroring, your Roku TV now broadcasts your mobile's IPTV service without any hiccups. Now, every channel you desire is accessible immediately, enhancing your viewing experience at home. And that wraps up our guide. Don't forget to check out 2TV.store for all your IPTV needs.